2025 Ultimate Finance Trackers na libre pwede nyo i-download, guys. Eto na, para sa inyo to lahat. So first things first will be my budget tracker. Dito pwede nyo tingnan kung magkano yung income mo, tapos syempre nakasplit na automatically kung magkano dapat sa essentials mo, sa mga wants mo, at saka dapat sa savings mo or investment. Then you can also track all of your expenses month on month. Links are here, links are also down on the caption below. Nasa Facebook page ko rin to, or if ever, nasa Instagram ko rin. Then, of course, guys, meron akong look-up sheet dito. Pwede nyo tingnan lahat ng mga perks ng mga credit cards that you have. So, para quick snapshot kung ano ba yung meron ka. Naka-drop down yan. I also have a YouTube video on how to use this. So, if ever, nandiyan yung mga links. Then, of course, you have your credit card monthly tracker, statement tracker kung kailan yung due date mo. So, guys, ilalagay mo siya dito kung anong credit card yan, tapos ilalagay mo kung anong type of credit card, anong banko, how much, and then kailan yung due date. Para every time nabubuksan mo tong Google Sheet mo, alam mo kung ano na yung mga due mo para syempre, walang penalty ang mga credit card natin. And of course, I have an asset tracker here. So dito naman is lilista mo lahat ng mga savings account mo, checking account mo, time deposit if you have, co-op, funds, stocks, crypto. Para every month, you get a snapshot of how much your total assets are. For this one, naka-assets lang siya. Wala pa siyang liabilities. Baka sa next iterations natin, pwede natin lagay yung mga liabilities. But this one is all for your assets. And meron pa siyang specific tab. Pwede mo ilagay yung mga paintings mo na meron ka if ever, or yung mga jewelries, diba? Mga properties like lupa. And of course, I also have a no annual fee for life credit card tracker. So for example, nag-apply ka ng no annual fee for life, tapos wala siyang automated way of checking kung magkano yung spend mo kasi may mga spend requirement yung mga credit cards yan. For example, the Union Bank Rewards or yung mga Miles Plus. So dito pwede mo manually track kung kailan na yung 60 days niya, and it will automatically compute magkano yung kailan mo pa i-meet na spending requirement para no annual fee for life yung credit card mo na yan. Guys, lahat ng mga links na yan nandyan nasa caption below rin. And of course, meron rin ako dito rebate spend tracker. For example, may mga promos. Kailangan mo tingnan kung magkano yung rebate na kailangan mong i-meet or yung spend requirement na kailangan mong i-meet. Plus yung kailan siya matatapos yung promos. Nandito, i-compute na rin siya para sa'yo. Guys, as always, this one is just a tracker for you to use. It doesn't necessarily mean kung may promo lahat, kailangan mo siyang i-meet, diba? Kasi paminsan, kung hindi mo kailangan yung gamit, wag na, diba? But if you have something to spend, why not? Diba? I-credit card mo siya, then you earn that rebate. So this is the link for this specific tracker. And yes guys, so this 2025, ang goal natin is really about financial wellness, financial goals. So I hope lahat ng mga trackers na to makakatulong sa inyo. Lahat po siya libre, hindi po tayo nagpapabayad for these trackers. So please feel free to share it to your friends, families. Kung kanino man siya magbe-benefit, go. Because one way to meet our goals is to track it as well. And then syempre, guys, trackers help.